Ki officer jong Khubor penya ya ka wei na ki kat ling sun ha ka Khubborjylla Meghalaya kabala tip kum ka umroi Shillong airport bala penya ya ka airport authority of India ka badan ha ka shnong umroi ha thamri bhoi district kila Shaïong bansakhi ya ka jing thali ki shuki de ki spatali ki bala pankre da ka jing khmi lenti ba ki nong shnong jong ki santli ki shnong ki badan markhap bat ka ni ka kat ling sun kin wan Paidbah sha ka jingelang ka bala panlong ha ka nyau tarik mentau banai risau da ka Meghalaya state Pollution Control Board kabalong karensan ban pensngau ya kasur Paidbah halor ka jing thmu ban penhe ya ka ne ka kat ling sun kabadon ha umroi ka jing sngo lengo halor ka jing pep wan Ïashim Bynta kinong shnong ka ni ka than sha ka ni ka jingelang kalapawru wat na kirangba no sanshar shnong jong kisan tli ki shnong ki badon markhap bat ka ni ka kat ling sun ki bala kenno kala baka Khlem don ka jing pentip ka ba shai bat ka por ka ba biang sha kinong shnong wala ki Paidbah kim Samla poisha ka ni ka jingelang hanrei ki ba bon hi pat kinong sanshar shnong ki la ai ka jing kershan halor ka ni ka jing thmu jong ka airport authority of India da ka ba pen paru ba ki kloi ba kinya trelang nang ni shakmat na ka banta ki kampenroi ha ka jilla Henry tang kawai kamat kaba kila kham banjur kadai hakaliang ka thungkam thungjam ki trai muluk ki bana ka than bat na kiwi ki banta jang ka jilla ya baro ki kam ki ba ki trai jilla ki dang la bantre
lanu ba da ker sate aling kha ka bayo ba nru phau ba san phau bani nyeladu ban thong bai kata ngala yo sngo bi kirang ba snong na koi ka po sa por kisai tentu ya ki banwan pek banwan khmi ya kachaka henrei hadu banta kim pala tan pen urlong te na kapa di kisa la da kisko ba ki jat ban riu jongi ki nong song snong jongi ki nong ki ba em haka ret karyang jongi so phasa ba khine Khlem ba don ru haka por ba ka don ko ka surok ka ba tang suslat kum meninen ka surok tang banya ki khon ki balis ru ni namla banya namar ka isle ko te ngala shong bat hagani airport bun sieng nga shek pe kni lenti hoy ka don ki jing mantoy sibu ni ki nong song snong kham tam ye ni ki bala shong na du men suwa ni iji pun ba ki jing kawa haga bang ki wan ke di airport pe ki kon Samla ki yo ki kan ki ba pher na ki than sepra arka mission bat kunju ni ki omroi bat nomra mental snem ne habang i kham tam le Khubor bakalong umenta kasi ke hearing ni i pa kisar ki don di khasi kalau ngadap da di dokumen ke bakra men kong ki khat ya ke hearing don khasi ki bawan kita khar sudah ngawan di hearing ke ban kong do ke bapat hamte handai don ki bawan ki khasi ki officer kalau tang dokumen bat kunju anda apa kan ni airport kendala kenhe yang Ïashim bagi khasi jungi tapi kita ki pos ki bakher ki kon Samla ki long ki bana khasi ngana ten tho nang ngana nom ten tho badai tang ni ki tha jungi ho ki tha jungi ki don le ki jong ki pa jungi yang Ïashim ada tentu pun mai ki ramba ki tentu ki don le ki jong so ba ba phi ba ki thong kan so ba ba phin thong kan khnang na Bynta ki khon Samla jungi ni kong na ka ni kapor hagan ke jaka lada don su ni la simpat na jawe ka ban ni kong wa ban kham ong i bisa pa phin dei ban ai kapor ka ban likot lese na ma ki khon jungi ki don batre sabar ki dang don ki pule sabar ki ma ban thep ya ka pos ki jong ki la pi ai kong ki pertah hearing ku ba mena masem ki mempor wa tak silap ki kot lu nama ki tip hi pasien sa than jungi kalai kam da don batalit hakha de ka changing la da ki tip hak dak ya ka bamenta de nga kerpa ni visa la da don ki pos ki bala semua ba iPhone pentip che ki rang ba sno pentip ai ha ki YouTube ka ba khamta ka ba banta ni ka ba ai ki YouTube ba kan like ki pos sang ta ki kon Samla ki la benta wala ki don sa jangai ru in ki la benta ki bon ni kon Samla mentang jadi pulis ba habala wan kini airport ki than jungi la da don kata ka bala he kita sok benya sate siapa kau hati kita lak penwan benya ben kieu nang ni pegawai sa di tingkat pas ke jona kalong ba lada pi don tano no po obvious Hamtam ki kontrak lapan he ya kan cakap je airport. Ki kontrak la da ki don ki bala ban tentrei na kan sino. Ngakir pa ne pisa be kin island, kin ikam den ya ki tradisional ki bala Ïashim ya ka kam kontrak jan kiru. Rada tim ai. Awalnya seki rekin nam la bentit. Kiru pinam la bentit mana bala menteri yang ka kam kontrak. Kataru ngakir pa ne pisa be pide ban ai ka por ka ba kham telut. Ba kumno be kita ki ba alak menteri ka ta kam kila banwa jintiap ba kila bentet ikikat kisla. But kawai ru ngakwa benong visa. Lada di kwa ben penhe ya kacaka airport. Haka jingsiam jonga kam da sim kam da pa kam ngam da snul han benong bang ngan nom ai. Lane ngandon di jingwa lada airport ke sim Henry lada ka sim su ki jakaru. Ke ben penhe ya airport. Nganga kersyang. Tangba ni dai pa penyo ke jingsiu ko babiang. But pin airport yang ni lada Hisiu menta mde ban aipor kindia hende kapor ke de ban kham ya ke ba kham jalan ba kumno kumni kinong sanong nila ban pindit pindiang ha kai cakasa jani ba kumno nila ban pindit pindiang ya ke inlang salang te ngala sipu ngi i girsam ki ramba jingi kila kren hende ngan nam kren bun kin tiensu ke kerpa ke pi tang ta ka wai bisa lada pisno dan kambiang ya ke caka Maru makuloy kan ay ka jisiu kan nong pat ka babiang tangka ku desu.
Nakaliang jongaru ba habidi ba tungkam tungjam ngangit ba ka jing sacrifice jong kini long shwa manchwa ki tungi kanam long kawle no eh. Hoy kumlaong da resource person ba kidon lalaki jong ki grit te kumbaong mene ba nga try ki on skill Thai habedi ki on skill tingi don sibun namar kim don kam qualification habedi ki on skill tingi don sibun telese ki don ki skill ru lene ki semi skill ki bana kaliang jong kinong song jong ki don sesubha ban pet bakal consider ru ki namar kila sacrifice sibun kila duno ila ka jong ka Kila duduk ia lagi jongki gisam jongki. Kenapa nuat nak suai ke cakap? Amdai ke besuk. Bangin wat suai cakap. Bangin ya let song suai ke cakap. Bangin senai ki bertemai. Amdai ke besuk. Maka jingat day hapeng jongki nong song ki barim bagi bertemai kaya per. Amdai ke besuk. Nah takadau sumha bacim kia halor kene. Oi nak kuat bertip ba nakaliang ki agency. Mungkin ki Air India lane ki mo Indigo kidon emang ni lada kidon nomor ba lada ngintran tangya airport authority India kamot kan they tik tangi kami balai airport authority of India dan mereka bangga kuat kolong ba kan ka jing personal kolong ba yakini ki agency su nama ki Indigo Air India ba kiwi kidon ikam di baki kilai di baki kikot yang kuat balada kikot in kot bat pentip nang ba haswa ban le interview pentip sigirang ba snong kang girang ba snong gidungi hiyo ban ai jitip pat ya ki kun samla ki bedon ya ke jitmu ban mitre ngani airport kaba don ngani amroi jungi dan nakaliang jonga nganam kren
ya kenika project mo the EPH is environmental public hearing is part of the environmental clearance process and no decision of the project will be taken during their hearing as its role is strictly confined to recording of opinions, discussions and suggestions submitting in writing or orally so that the same will be submitted to the State Environmental Impact Assessment Authority, that is SIA. Di yakni ke EPH lapan long kat kum nakabenta ke banyo ke environmental clearance yakni ka expansion jongkan ka Shillong Airport but bangin ngimshim karai nang ni hangi bakin ai ngim ai kata ka environmental clearance kani kadi dan tang ban shim yaki jing mut ki jing persat ni jing kersan dong ki yakni ka expansion but yakini la shim haka daga bat fi ai jing ko no fi shi crunch bet bangin ai ka poru ba fi kren Bafi Kershan if we Persha, but within IT, Jingmut, Jongki, Yakanika, expansion Jonkanika, Shillong Airport, but Ikini la record, but submit Patsha, State Environmental Impact Assessment Authority, Kadaka, Board of Bahajrong, Ban Ayaka, Environmental Clearance, NEHU. Take Yakini ki Ïashim ki recording Jongki, submit Sia berkesia kasa examen yaki kasapek punya yaki jingkren jongki lu kasa shim punya but kin dry but kin ani kimai mangi ban ai karai hani mo. So Sia will actually examine all these recordings and they will decide whether environmental clearance is granted or not, and it's not here where the decision is taken that environmental clearance will be given or not. Sakaway nga kwa ban Prince Shaïong how shwa fin shimkarai ban one ajin klen kan mau bakani kadek dan santang berfin ajin mud but berfin ong berfin ajin mud ne fi kurshan ne fi kursha ne ka project ka dan san berfin ya kuang kti iwe ne ban dibin mo. So this place is not to be taken as a platform of debate, just a reminder. And the views are recorded and they are filmed. You can see cameras are there that are being filmed, and people are there taking the attendance also, which is a sign of proof that this public hearing has been conducted. Tengah kuat ban pensai there by kini kijing keren jom pi baru la ring video but la record there but Ïashim yaki attendance group kalau kasih sekolah berfila one mereka hearing.
Basically, the Shillong airport is being expanded. Right now, we have 1829 meters of runway. We are going to expand for another 571 meters. So total 2,400 meters will be the length of the runway. Then bigger aircraft like A320 can land here. Accordingly, we are going to expand the terminal building also. Presently, it is 5,000 square meters. After expansion, it will be 10,500 square meters. Besides that, we are going to increase the number of bay where aircraft are being parked, and bigger aircraft will be parked. These are the main things.
Compare with the airport in the state, what is the grade of this airport?
What is the grade?
Grade.
It's a same actually grade in terms of now it's a 3C code in terms of 3C code, and it will become 4C, something like that. It will become 4C codes. Yes.
So we have seen today, like most of the leaders of the villages, they have come with full support for this expansion of airport.
It's a great.
But the main issues that they always raise is about employment. So can you tell us about the reservation for the local?
Actually, right now the expansion works will be taken over by the agencies. We will ensure that as far as possible, the semi-skilled peoples, unskilled peoples are taken from the nearby villages. For others, we will ensure that according to their qualifications, needs, we will definitely ensure them that people from highly skilled and other specialized skills are also given the opportunities.
So till date, how many % of your staff we have local, not only from this part of the state, but from other states also?
It's almost around 70 to 80% people are from local here. We ensure that the agencies would employ the people are from nearby villages and local people only.
So after the completion of this expansions, so what will be the requirement of the employee?
What will be the requirement? We will see. Definitely. Now suppose that passenger footfall is 1.5 million per year. Suppose that then it will go to around, we hope that 5 to 6. So definitely the things will increase 3 to 4 times.